Me to come on the stage, or you want me to be with you where you are? See, the choice is all yours. You decide. आप चाहते हैं मैं स्टेज पे आऊँ या आप चाहते हैं मैं आप ही के बीच आपके साथ आऊँ? Hello everyone. I think again crowd seems to be lost. Hello everyone. What I have heard so far that this is one of the best college, and I can see the mad freakos, the freak students all here, but I don't see that heat, that excitement here. Why so? Okay, all right. So tell me one thing. Do you want me to come there? Because obviously you can't come here on the stage. But before that, I think that's obvious that I can't get introduced to you personally, but this is Soumya Shetty. Extends a very warm welcome to all of you. Now friends, before we begin, I just want to know for my knowledge, how many Gujjus here? Kitla Gujarati chhe yahan? Okay, thank you. Kitne Maharashtrians hai? Alright. और कितने पंजूज है? Punjabis? And I'm very sure South Indians बहुत coming here. South Indians कितने हैं? Alright. So now I think हूँ तमारा पासे आवीस अने तमारा जोड़े बात करीस. I want to connect with you because I think this is the only possible thing, the best thing, if I want to connect with this lovely audience here. So friends. Alright. So now the सभी देख सकते हैं आगम The Lover Boy. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए friends. And Shivani, I request you to kindly come towards my left. Now if I ask you your definition of love, how will you define love? Let's little talk about love because that's the only way we can connect with the music and Khiladi 786. So tell me, if you have to define love, how will you define love?
We cannot define a love. It's anything which just attract towards anybody and just seeing anybody one first time and just love happens.
Alright, how about you beautiful girl? How will you define love?
I guess love just happens, and the more you're comfortable there, the more you trust each other, that's make your relationship stronger and stronger.
Thank you so very much. Now that I'm gonna ask you to dedicate a beautiful song for your girlfriend. So which song you're gonna dedicate her? Because see, this is the only chance. I think hardly लड़कों को chance मिलता है stage पे अपनी girlfriend को ऐसे song dedicate करने के लिए. तो जब आपको मिला है, I want you to do that. So which song and why?
तेरी ओर.
Oh hello, what Jachudel? Please, for God's sake.
तेरी ओर from Sing is King.
So you're going to dance with her. You will sing the song for her. लड़के शर्माते नहीं है, लड़के शर्माते नहीं है, right? शर्माने का काम लड़कियों का है. तो आप decide कर लीजिए.
We dance.
Dance. Okay, DJ, do we have this track? तेरी ओर. 6, your favorite song.
Yeah, the same.
Which one? Hookaba. Okay, and yours?
Title song.
Title song, खिलाड़ी भैया. चलिए ठीक है. अच्छा मैं आपको क्या बुला सकती हूँ? अगम या अगम भैया?
अगम.
आप बताइए मैं इन्हें क्या बुलाऊँ? अगम या अगम भैया? I knew it, अगम भैया, but anyway, अगम भैया ही बोलो अच्छा है. So can we have the track please? S, I'm talking about a guy. Sorry girls. S और जिसका नाम खत्म होता है A पे. Anyone out there? I'll request 5. I want 5 guys. जिसका नाम शुरू होता है S से और खत्म होता है A पे. No one, don't tell me that. Sheena out there. I'm very sure यहाँ पे फिर you are gonna miss this because if you think that हाँ सौम्या स्टेज पे बुलाएगी गाने के लिए कहेगी एक्टिंग करने के लिए करूँगी, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. आने के बाद आप मिस करेंगे. So once again मैं बोल रही हूँ जिसका नाम शुरू होता है S से और खत्म को मारो गोली. Why? I don't understand girls. Force क्यों करती है तब आप आते हो? आ जाओ यार जल्दी. Come. I want 4 more guys. मैं इन्हें कुछ भी बोल सकती हूँ because we don't have a family crowd here. और अगर ये बोल देते हैं तो ये भी मुझे कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं. Fair deal, right? So let's start from you. As I said, I'll be giving you 3 chances. Your first chance. Can. बहुत smart, है नहीं?
Can you just repeat it?
Dear, I said only 3 chances, so this is the first chance, first round.
Okay, I didn't hear it.
Okay, I'll make it easy for you. I'll give you discount. Can.
Can you can.
Very smart he's. तुमने पहले से हार मान लिया आपने?
Can you something shit? I don't know.
All right, okay.
Can you can as you can.
Okay, you come 2 steps ahead. Yeah, how about you? I'm going to give you 3 chances. First chance to all around. Can as can.
Can you get the can as fast as you can?
He tried, yaar, at least. तालियां बजाओ, हंसो मत. You.
Can you dance? Can.
You.
Can you can as can.
Wow, almost close. Okay, 2 steps ahead. How about you?
Can you can as I can.
Okay, he wants to do everything, it seems. Okay, now I'm not going to give you 3 chances. Last chance to all the guys out here, okay? I'll make it simple and I'll split the words so that it gets easy for you, okay? Can as can.
Can as can.
What do you think he's right? No! Kuch bhi, haan?
Can you get a can as I can get a can?
Okay, you can. 4 steps ahead. Yeah.
Can you get a can as I can get a can?
I thought he'll say can and some shit. Okay. How about you? आप सभी से request करती हूँ. Let's give a round of applause for our HR musicians on the stage. Can we have a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen? Himesh Reshamya Troupe on the stage, and now that we begin. So, but you know there is a problem. अगर आपने देखा, मैं just backstage गई थी. Backstage जाके मुझे किसी ने कहा कि सौम्या crowd में इतना दम नहीं लग रहा है यार. मैं बोला crowd में तो बहुत दम है, but दिखा क्यों नहीं रहा? I don't know. So let me tell you that till the time you don't get crazy, you don't freak out. जब तक मुझे नहीं लगेगा कि अगले 10 मिनट के अंदर मुझे चप्पल, बॉटल और अंडे पड़ने वाले हैं, तब तक मैं उन्हें स्टेज पे नहीं बुलाने वाली. So now you decide. What do you wanna do? You wanna go bonkers? You wanna go mad? You wanna go crazy? Okay, let's do one thing. Let's do one thing. मैं जिनका नाम लेती हूँ, उनके बाद I want your whistles, तालियां, चिल्लाना, कुछ भी, but I want to see that excitement in you. So here I say, the rock star Himesh Reshamya. Wow. All right. The superstar, handsome Akshay Kumar. The beautiful Hasan. And the hot Claudia. I'm sure last में मैं अभी जिनका नाम लूँगी, इसमें तो आप बहुत सारी तालियां और सीटियां बजाएंगे. Last में the students of Medibai College. All right, so guys, now I can see the excitement, I can see the heat. So, and 106 Superhit Films